So this morning meron tayong setup for our Asian session and opening ng market this Monday. And right now we just generated a total of $400 and combined. Kasi here we have a total of $288 sa account na to. And then dito sa isang account natin is meron tayong $134. So how did we come up with the setup? Well, fundamentally speaking, like kanina, di ba na-mention ko sa vlog natin na bullish si gold ngayon because of the peace deal between US and Iran. So fundamentally speaking, since bumababa yung presyo ng oil ngayon, so yung inflation risk nabawasan, since nabawasan yung inflation risk, most likely baka hindi na magtaas ng interest rate by December. So because of this, nagkaroon ng speculation, syempre yung mga traders na, oy, since nabawasan yung inflation risk, baka hindi na magtaas ng interest rate. So since hindi na magtaas ng interest rate, bullish to for gold kasi si gold is non-yielding asset siya. So kapag yung interest rate ng ibang asset ay hindi ganun kataas, they consider gold most of the time. That is why yung sentiments right now is nasa mga buyers, sa bullish talaga. That is why nakikita nyo, ayan, paakit ng paakit si gold right now. So, bukod na nagkaroon siya ng gap up, ayan, nagkaroon siya ng gap up. Kung mapapansin nyo, meron ditong gap, ayan, walang candlestick dito. Tumalon siya papunta doon because, yun nga, strong nga yung mga buyers. So, ngayon in control yung mga buyers. That's why nagkaroon tayo ng position to buy. So, halos 70% na naging decision making ko when it comes to this setup is because of the fundamental aspect. And technically speaking, nakikita nyo ngayon na, ayan, nakikita nyo na binasag niya yung MA200. So, yung MA200, this serves as our resistance. Yan. Yan, nung binrake niya yung ating resistance dyan, eh, mas naging strong pa yung bias natin na, okay, let's go for buy. And kung titingnan natin yung higher time frame, silipin natin yung higher time frame, kung titingnan nyo sa daily time frame, strong talaga yung mga bulls right now kasi mapapansin nyo, meron tayong bullish candlestick dito, though hindi siya bullish engulfing but nag-bounce siya sa ating daily support. And then, nagkaroon siya dito ng doji. And nagkaroon tayo ng doji dito. And this gives an idea na nanghihina yung mga sellers na dyan. And most likely, magi-step in na yung mga buyers during the time na nagkaroon ng doji dito. I'm looking at this, most likely, aakatin niya hanggang somewhere here sa ating middle band, which is 4412. So, kung itong 4414 na yan, 4414, kung ito ay respect ng market, then most likely magkakaroon ng bearish continuation kasi magre-reject siya dito sa area na to. Kapag ito binasag niya itong 440 na to, then most likely magtutuloy-tuloy na paakit yung gold. Besides, here sa stochastic natin, mapapansin nyo, ayan, papansin nyo, nandito siya sa oversold zone, diba? Which is nasa 20. So, ibig sabihin, nagkaroon siya ng intersection dyan. Mapapansin nyo, yung KND percentage natin is nag-intersect siya. So, this is actually a confluence to buy. Yeah, a confluence to buy. During the time na nagkaroon ng intersection yan dyan at the oversold zone. But, yeah, we still have to be very careful kasi the market is still downtrend. So, since downtrend ang market, i-manage nyo yung lot size nyo. Apply nyo pa rin yung risk management kasi, proper risk management kasi, kung mag-buy kayo right now and the market is bearish, then, medyo, syempre nakakatakot yun, diba? Kasi you're going against the trend. You can still, of course, buy knowing na ang lakas ng mga buyers ngayon and fundamentally speaking, aakit si gold because of the inflation. The reduce of inflation risk. However, again, apply proper risk management. Because dito sa ating macro trend, which is D1, it's still downtrend. So, just imagine by having this kind of skill na nandito ka lang sa bahay, ayan, pamuni-muni lang tayo dito sa bahay, nakaupo lang tayo dito, and yet we're earning dollars on a Monday morning na I don't need to leave my house, magpaka-stress sa traffic, and then pumunta sa office. I don't need to do that because of this skill. So imagine you having $400 or 24,000 pesos on a Monday morning without leaving your house. You can sip your coffee, just like mine, na hindi nagmamadali. Hindi mo kailangan maligo ng sobrang aga, katulad ko. So if you feel like na nangahype ako, I'm just highlighting and encouraging you guys to learn this skill. Kasi definitely this could, maybe could change your situation right now. If you don't like your situation right now, you're stuck in the rat race cycle, you hate your boss and your workmates, you feel like wala ka ng growth, or maybe you want to spend more time with your family, have financial freedom, have time freedom, or maybe umuwi na sa Pilipinas for good if you're an OFW, so you can spend more time with your family, with your wife, with your kids. Then I believe this is something worth learning. It's not gonna be easy, definitely. Wala man sabi madali siya. It will take time. Kahit ano namang mga bagay na worth it will take time. But one thing is for sure, this is worth it. Sobra. So I highly encourage you guys to learn this. So kahit hindi na kayo sa school ko mag-aral, I have a school by the way. I teach reading. We have face-to-face classes. We have online classes. We have self-paced classes. We have hybrid classes wherein you can learn remotely and attend our face-to-face class. So all delivery formats are actually available. Yun ay talaga kung gusto mo talaga mag-invest in your knowledge. However, if you do not afford, pwede kayo mag-YouTube University. Ang dami sa YouTube, guys. Even ako, I do conduct free webinars every single day. So, every 6 p.m. yan sa Facebook ko. Puntahan nyo lang, Lady Denny Lee, Blue Check. Meron tayong webinars dyan every day. Matututo kayo ng libre, promise. But if you want to deepen your knowledge, pwede kayo mag-enroll sa akin. Sa Legendary Trading Academy, search nyo lang yan sa Google Legendary Trading Academy. Meron tayong academy dyan wherein we teach trading in a way na very structured siya. Perfect sa mga beginners, especially kapag zero knowledge ka. Or if you want talaga na mas maturuan ka na mas maayos. Kasi sometimes there are people who cannot learn from online, who cannot learn from YouTube. So, Legendary Trading Academy could be an answer. Diba? So, ayun guys. Invest in your knowledge, guys. Yun lang sabi ko, invest in your knowledge. That is one thing na hindi ko pinagsisihan sa buhay. Na talagang sobrang ginasusan ko naman talaga yung mga knowledge na meron ako right now. So, yun lang guys. Good luck sa mga trades nyo for the week. Hopefully tomorrow makapag-market outlook ulit tayo. By the way, I do send my signals, my insights, my trading ideas when it comes to gold. Pwede kayong mag-join doon. Pwede yung sabayan yung mga trades ko. Nagbabato ako ng signal every London and New York session. So, kung gusto nyo rin sumabay, pwede kayo sumabay. I-message nyo lang yung admin ko or mag-message kayo sa Telegram ko. Ito yung Telegram ko, guys. Ayan. Message kayo dyan. Mag-ingat kayo sa mga posters and scammers kasi marami nang gagaya sa akin. So, make sure nyo lang na tama yung Telegram. Blue verified yan. And hindi ako nanghihingi ng investment. Hindi po kayo mag-deposit sa akin. Kaya be very careful, be vigilant sa mga posters and scammers kasi sobrang dami talaga ng gagaya sa akin, promise. So, pwede kayo pumasok sa Telegram community natin. We have a Telegram community. Mag-download lang kayo ng Telegram and then search nyo FX Lady TG. Yan, FX Lady TG. Okay? So, yun lang guys. Thank you. Or puntahan nyo yung YouTube ko. Meron sa YouTube dun step-by-step guide kung paano kayo makakapag-subscribe sa ating VIP channel and paano kayo makakapag-create ng broker account nyo.